Hello, and welcome to this short video on Switch Automation's mobile app, a smart building app that will improve the way you manage and operate your buildings. Through the app, you can view categorized events and interact with them directly in live time with other users of the Switch platform. I'll go ahead and log in here. Now, as a user in the mobile app, you can see each event organized by status. All this content from the Switch platform has been synced with the mobile app. You can upload images back to that event to support investigation. You can work through tasks within the event to track progress. And you can even have dynamic chats with the support team in the platform. Now, let's say I'm a facility technician on site and I've received this event from my building support team with some instructions on what to do. I will see it in my open events. So I can go ahead and click into the event. And I can see that it's the lobby cooling failure. On this page, I can see the category, the summary, the site, due date, the status, and who it's assigned to. On the next tab, I can see screenshots and images that have been uploaded from the platform and synced with this mobile app. I can scroll down to the bottom of the images where I can see the ability to insert my own images, either from my camera or from my photos. If I go to the next tab, I can see my tasks for this event. So I can see that my second task happens to be to investigate the chilled water valve at the lobby. So if I'm the facility technician on site, I can go ahead and mark that as complete. On the next page, I can see chats and discussions from my building support team that I've synced with the mobile app. As well, I can also comment directly in the mobile app to send messages back to my building support team. And on the final tab, I can see who is involved in this event. So right away with this mobile app, I am armed with very useful information on what I should do, where I should go, and what the priority of all this is. I can work this into my daily flow of maintenance activities that I need to complete. What we are creating here is a seamless interaction between subject matter experts that are engaging with technical smart building content, chart, and sensor data, and really getting to the root cause of these issues. We are making it easier for facility technicians who are running around the building, essentially looking to interact with a to-do list. And this is what we can create by working between a smart building platform and a mobile device. Thanks for watching, and please feel free to reach out to Switch support anytime with questions.